Combat Command, General Mark Kelly, and all the men and women of Air Combat Command, we welcome you to the Greater Binghamton Airshow. I'm the A-10 Thunderbolt NCO in charge, Technical Sergeant Sir Brian Pontes from San Leandro, California. Joining me is our safety officer and combat ready attack pilot, Captain from Charlotte, North Carolina. As a member of Air Combat Command, Sweeping Fifth Wing, located at Davis Mountain Air Force Base in Tucson, Arizona, it is my pleasure to describe for you a capability demonstration by the heavily feared and effective Coast Air Support Aircraft, the A-10 Thunderbolt II. Our mission is to provide the Coast Air Support vehicles for our Army, Marine, Navy, and all allied ground forces so they can operate anywhere, anytime. Since 9/11, the United States Air Force has provided over 900,000 air missions in support of today's joint fighter. The A-10 demonstration pilot is Captain Haden, call sign Gator from Rising Pond, Georgia. Since commissioning new ROTC in 2012, Captain Fullam has become a veteran instructor pilot with over 1,500 hours in the A-10, including 92 combat missions, amassing 500 flight hours, supporting Americans and coalition ground forces in the skies by Iraq, Afghanistan, and Syria. Our phenomenal maintenance team assisting in today's demonstration from Lawrenceville, Georgia, Staff Sergeant Robert Benson. From Gadsden, Alabama, Staff Sergeant Hunter Nance. From Harrisville, New York, Senior Airman Caleb Spencer. And from Hominy, Oklahoma, Senior Airman Aaron Kennedy Post. Because of its toughness, tenacity, and devastating look, the people who know it best, the pilots who fly it, and the mechanics who maintain it have unofficially dubbed it the Warthog. Yeah, the Warthog is that. There are over 180 A-10s still in service today, operated by Air Combat Command, Pacific Air Forces, the Air National Guard, and Air Force Reserve. Ladies and gentlemen, to your right, Captain Haden in the A-10 Thunderbolt II. Captain Haden pulls back on the stick, sending the A-10 straight into the vertical, showcasing the heart of high maneuverability in all attitudes of flight. Captain Haden now positioning the A-10 down the show line. He'll perform a double aileron roll. Upon aileron, make up almost half the size of its wing, enabling an unparalleled controllability at slow speed. From the left, the Gator Roll. Tactical fighter wing during the Vietnam War. Known as the A-10 was a dominant attack aircraft during this conflict. On the right, the slow is now executing a classic aerobatic maneuver, the Cuban. The A-10 is remarkable maneuverability and enables it to perform its close air support mission, twisting and turning low over the battlefield. The Warthog can operate and deliver devastating firepower under 1,000-foot sea, unmatched by any comparable fighter. More than just power to the performance. They're much lighter than the barrel wings. Making the Warthog much harder to hear and aiding immensely in achieving tactical surprise. The Hog's engines are also extremely fuel efficient, unable to fly more than 1,000 miles without refuel. And if I do so, the Warhawk flying up down the Europe, the Pacific, and the Caribbean. Captain Fullam is now repositioning his aircraft to perform a level 360-degree IG turn. It's the A-10's quick turn rate and small turn radius, which enable it to work effectively over the battlefield, even under marginal weather conditions. Racetrack at well over twice the speed of any driver. On the battlefield, this capability enables the Warthog to turn quickly and evade enemy air defenses. Captain Fullam is now confirming his aircraft to demonstrate the A-10's slow speed controllability at its final approach speed of 120 knots. Get your cameras ready. This slow speed pass will give you a good chance to see the A-10's high bypass engines and unique tail design. These distinct features help pass the engine heat signature, aiding the pilot to defeat infrared missiles. Let's go to the cockpit of the A-10 and hear what Captain Fullam has to say. Thank you all folks here. Don't put those cameras down yet. The A-10 is the premier close air support aircraft supporting our ground forces engaged with the enemy. Listen now as we pass Captain Fullam a close air support target brief known simply as a 9-line. This will demonstrate the Hawk's ability to find, target, and engage enemy forces with the A-10's weapon of choice, the ground-pounding Gator Roll Avenger 30mm Gatling gun. Firing 70 rounds per second, its giant projectile delivers 7 times the respective energy than the more conventional 20mm round.
Look at this! I think
it will now take Captain Fullam about 30 seconds to get back in the firing position. With 2 Hogs working together, enemy forces can be under A-10 fire once every 10 to 15 seconds. Dropping 500-pound bombs. These general-purpose bombs are useful for clearing airfields or destroying buildings, adding versatility to the Hog's arsenal of weapons. unconventional maneuver makes it very difficult for any anti-aircraft gunners to track the A-10. The Warthog was built to withstand significant battle damage while having the capability to fly on a single engine and total loss by hydraulic power. It also has a well-earned reputation for strength and striking power, a reputation earned in multiple deployments, where Hawks destroyed numerous enemy armored vehicles, artillery sites, Scud missiles, and was even credited with 2 air-to-air kills. Today, the upgraded A-10C continues to set the standard for supporting Allied forces in today's time. Now, from the right, Captain Fullam and a 4-point roll displaying the superb handling characteristics of the A-10. Ladies and gentlemen, Captain Fullam is now repositioning the A-10 for the dedication pass. We would like to dedicate this pass to the men and women of the armed forces and their families. Our Heritage Paint Scheme is in remembrance of those prisoners of war missing in action, and ultimately the 1,585 service members who still have not returned home from Southeast Asia. From behind and to your right, A-10 Demo proudly presents the dedication pass. Once again, we salute all those fighting in today's joint fight and any wounded warriors and veterans in attendance today. We especially want to thank those who have given their lives in defense of this great country and all of their families which have sacrificed so much. The United States Air Force's Air Combat Command provides essential combat air support capability for today's joint fight. The A-10 has consistently demonstrated its ability to fly more than 4 sorties per day, a tribute to the skill, dedication, We hope you've enjoyed this brief display of only a fraction of the A-10's full combat capability. As an integral part of the most capable Air Force the world has ever known, your A-10 Warthogs are ready to defend our nation's skies and dominate the battle space anywhere on the globe. Ready to aim high, fly, fight, and win. In the past year alone, your United States Air Force flew over 510,000 hours, supporting operations in Iraq, Afghanistan, and Syria. As proud members of an all-volunteer Air Force, we hope our performance has inspired you to serve your country alongside the professional men and women you see in action here today. If you are interested in joining today's premier aerospace team, then find any member of the United States Air Force. Any of these amazing warriors will answer any questions you have and help you set your course for an amazing career. Don't forget to tag us using @A-10 Demo Team on all your pictures on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. And on behalf of the United States Air Force, the Commander of Air Combat Command, General Mark Kelly, and all members of Air Combat Command, thank you for your attendance, your patriotism, and support. Attack Demo out.
Oh, this is awesome. Yeah. Back and forth. They're talking back and forth about that was cool. Like, I'll print it out.
We're starting to put down some heavy artillery. You can't. You wish you could.
Right there. Me and Joe been up for a long time.
Yeah,
Too big.
That's our area to do a contract. You might get Gator big way.
A-10 Warhol. But that is a pretty airplane to fly for sector. There's a good dude of Warhol. You notice that the nose gear is offset to one side? That airplane is still right at the Gal 7. Got 8 Gatling guns nose that airplane. That's why the nose wheel is set off to one side. The plane the Air Force didn't want, but now everybody else wants it, said that they keep their plane on. It's just a great ground support airplane.
That thing is so secure.
Airshow Operations Coordination Management Services. Show by David Schultz Airshows out of Bluefield, Pennsylvania. This event marks the 18th event of busy 2021 airshow season that will see the company support over 3 dozen aviation events all across the United States. From Corpus Christi, Bayfront, Texas to Elson Air Force Base in Alaska, and from Atlantic City Beachfront to FB Warren Air Force Base in Wyoming. David Schultz Airshow provides their varied destined aviation productions and operations to military and civilian venues all across North America. For more information on Schultz Airshows, look at DavidSchultzAirshows.com.